Sorry, I forgot to start taping.
What are we documenting today? We're documenting our new lawnmower.
Black & Decker.
Corded, the cheap one.
How much was it?
$224.
Oh, God, I hate spending that much on a lawn.
Well, here, show them our old one. I think we've upgraded. Of course, this was cordless, so... Ooh, smells like plastic. Uh-oh, I think I broke something.
I don't think you broke it.
Alright. What do? So I have to admit I'm a little bit of a girl when it comes to lawnmowers. I don't like my oily hands. I don't like the smell of gas.
Well, it's not about being a girl. It's
cranking.
because it's bad for the environment.
No.
Oh, it has a bag.
I want to turn on a button.
You have to use the bag now.
A lever.
Lever?
Lever.
Whatever. Isn't Lever a brand of soap?
Lawnmower in a box.
Are you going to use the bag, please?
Hold on. How do you get these things out? There we go. Ready? And up. Alright.
Did you carry them in the store so that you'd know how much they weighed?
There we go. That's the light one. Plastic. Good old American plastic. Everything else is heavy.
You gotta wait for me to push play. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, we're trying it.
Alright, we're trying it. That doesn't seem to mow, does it?
I gotta make it a little...
Better. That's good. Nice hum. Nice hum.
Okay.